it's Morgan Ann and I'm back with another video. This time it's a Nadula Hair review. I'm going to be unboxing what I got from Nadula Hair. And if you haven't seen this face before, hey, what's up, Homeschool Biscuit? My name's Morgan and you should totally subscribe to be part of this. Bam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Simply Morgan. Tell your girl what's up and what's happening, and let's get started with the video. Like I said, this hair is from Nadula and it comes in this cute box, white with gold writing and gold little aesthetics on the side. Gorgeous, lovely. And then on the back also has tips on how to care for your hair as well as information on the supplier. Let's open this and see what I got. Yes, look at that. Look at all that hair. hair, yes, and Jesus, almost had it all fall out. So I got two 24s right here, both 24s, and then I got one 22, and then my closure is an 18. We're going to open up my 22, and then it comes inside a netting, you know, just to make sure your hair is protected while it is on its travels. Ooh, yes. Oh, look, oh, thick. It's so soft, literally so soft. This is the softest hair I've ever touched. I'm not joking, guys, and I love me some wigs and hair. Oh yes, so soft. And so far, like brushing my fingers through it, I'm definitely not getting any tangles. So wow, look at these body waves. This is 22 inches. Ooh, this will look good on me. See what a 24 looks like. I'm going to put it back in the bag because it just looks so pretty and I want it to be safe. Also, when you buy your bundles, if you buy a closure and 3 bundles, they will make a wig for you for $5. Like, that's amazing. A $5 wig, including the bundles and the closure, but it's only $5 to make it like that. So I feel like you're gonna have more like thickness to your hair when you buy bundles and closures and they make it into a $5 wig. Like, that's just $5 added on. I think that's an amazing price. Girl is about to slay. Y'all not even ready. Oh, look at this. Look, oh yes, I love the fact like this hair does not tangle at all. Like, I've actually pulled out some bundles before, stuck my fingers through them, and honestly my fingers have gotten caught. There's no shedding at the moment. I haven't gotten any shedding. I'm trying to see if I'm getting any. I'm not getting any shedding. Here is the closure. The closure is a 4x4. Ready. It comes with a little lace part in the front. The mesh is actually really transparent, like extremely transparent, which is really nice. You guys are going to see me next time with this all braided back and hair down to here, looking luscious. So excited for you guys to see this. You are not ready. Okay, so just gonna oop. Hey guys, it's been 2 weeks since the last time I talked to you guys. Since I last, got my box, opened it, saw my bundles, was in love. I am so in love with this hair. I'm not even joking with you guys. Like, first off, this is probably like the best wig I've ever had. The thickness on this hair is so real. Like 3 bundles, that's crazy. Look at this. Yes, look at all the inches, all this. I've never had a wig where if I straighten it, it's actually like straight and stays straight, and I don't have to like struggle to like brush it out all the time. Like, I don't have that issue with this. Also, when I curl it, the curls stay in 4 days. Like, this hair can hold a curl, and I've also struggled with that with the other wigs that I've had in the past, but this is so nice. It's just so thick. Look at the shine on it, guys. Like, I get so many compliments on this hair too. Like, I am in love. You guys, I don't have any shedding. That's the crazy part. I know that was my struggle before in the past with like different hair, but you see this? You see this? You see all this, how I can run my fingers through it and it is not going, it's not getting caught, it's not nothing. Literally, it's absolutely amazing to me. And no shedding. I don't feel any hair. No hair on my thighs, nothing. Like, this is crazy. Well, not this is crazy, but I'm just so impressed with this hair. It's honestly, like, I'm in words. The fact that also what I feel like a struggle for a lot of like people who buy wigs and stuff is hair being thick when it's longer. And I just love the fact that it is just thick as can be, but it's not like thick where it's unrealistic. It's thick to where it's good. I have discounts down below where you can get 20% off, 16% off, 10% off in the description down below. It's codes galore, so you guys can get a discount on your hair. I highly recommend this hair so much. The fact that they give you instructions on how to take care of your hair on the back, how it just comes in this nice packaging, and that it's honestly, it lives up to its hype times 20. No, I'm feeling the fantasy. I'm feeling the fantasy. You see this? You see this thickness? You see me waving it back and forth? You see that? You see this? I know some of you guys have asked me about wigs for back to school. Definitely, if you're looking for a wig or if you're just looking for hair, definitely get it at Nadula Hair. I will have everything, I mean it, you guys, everything linked in the description down below. Definitely check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to join this fam bam. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at I am Someone Morgan. Tell you all what's up and what's happening. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. A home skillet, a biscuit.